Decking Denver in burgundy and blue. The decorations are coming out as we get closer to the Stanley Cup Final.
Excitement's been building for weeks as the Avs cruise through the first 3 rounds of the playoffs.
And as fans wait with anticipation, bars and restaurants are preparing for packed crowds ready to cheer on those Avs.
Denver 7's Brian Wang is live downtown tonight with how bars are gearing up while keeping the high spread of COVID in mind. Brian?
And they are certainly keeping that in mind, and right now their #1 goal is to make sure that all their employees are healthy and safe and just ready to serve all the crowds during the Stanley Cup Finals.
Well, we get killed before and after the games.
He means that in a good way.
They start here, they go to the game, and then they finish here, and it gets crazy.
But it's going to get even busier at Mike Goldman's Nola Jane Restaurant and Bar in Larimer Square for the Stanley Cup Finals.
I know it's going to be crazy. You know, we'll have both floors rocking and rolling.
And to keep all that extra business possible,
we need everybody on board for this.
That means keeping employees extra safe. Unlike what we've seen for the last 2 years, staffing shortages weren't an issue for the establishments we spoke to Friday. But 13 counties in Colorado now fall within the state's COVID-19 high-risk category, which includes all of the Denver metro.
We have hand sanitizer by the gallons,
Adam Fitterer is the bar manager at Smash Face Brewing in Lodo.
We keep COVID tests on site. We want to make sure if any of our staff feels sick that they have a test ready to go. We just want to stay on top of all the CDC guidelines.
In a statement to Denver 7, the Colorado Restaurant Association said in parts, a rise in COVID-19 cases is the last thing local restaurants need right now, especially during the upcoming Avs game. Please be kind and patient with the people serving you. In the meantime, those serving you are eager to.
We're prepared. We have a really great staff of people that have been here for quite a while, so everybody's excited.
We are all very excited, to say the least. This place right here in Larimer Square is busy now. It's going to be absolutely packed during the Stanley Cup Finals. As of right now, we haven't heard from any Denver official announce any plan that they're going to roll out mask mandates again. We also haven't seen any signs outside of these establishments requiring guests to wear masks, but we certainly have seen a lot of staff wear them. We're live in Larimer Square. Brian Wang, Denver 7.
All right, Brian, thank you. And we have a better idea of when the puck will drop for the Stanley Cup Finals. It all depends on who wins Game 6 of the Eastern Conference Finals tomorrow night. So here are the scenarios. Right now, Tampa Bay leads New York 3-2. If Tampa should win tomorrow night, then they would win the Eastern Conference. And that means Game 1 of the Stanley Cup Finals would be Wednesday night at Ball Arena. If New York wins tomorrow and forces a Game 7 on Monday, that means the series won't begin here in Denver until next Saturday. And we will, of course, be watching and waiting to see what happens very closely. So when the Stanley Cup Finals do begin, you'll be able to watch each game right here on Denver 7. It's your home for the 2022 Stanley Cup Final.